So much ado, let's experience together our vibrant culture through the Ibangbang beat by an opening salvo of the different contenders from Baile sa Kalye.
Mangvilay, Ibangbang.
Yo at si Rhea Binangbang, itanong manok alat patuyo mo kaya namusti pagsindo doradan ahino ani bunganan.
Bantay kaya ang kendi suor, napipintas ka parswan ti apo tayo, pagliwliwan kin pagansakan, dito'y hili tayo abang.
Mabilan, Ibangbang.
Ibangbang tao, bangbang genyos tayo, may sa tayo iti puso. Ibangbang tao, para pagsibang tayo, magilay bangbang, umali ayo.
Lutin lahat ng problema, halina tayo'y magsama-sama.
Kultura sa ating ipinamana, pagpuni at ikaingatan.
Mihalang nga puta uwar Diyos, isang dyan na wahawan inapyanan. Irayaw tao, iohay tao,
Mabilay, Ibangbang. Ibangbang tao, bangbang genyos tayo, may sa tayo iti puso. Ibangbang tao, taranan pag-iwang tayo, magilay bangbang, umali. Ibangbang tao, bangbang genyos tayo, may sa tayo iti puso. Ibangbang tao, taranan pag-iwang tayo, magilay bangbang, umali ayo.
Ibangbang, 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 Ibangbang.
Umali, ayaw! Ibangbang, 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 Ibangbang.
Yo asiyaya binangbang, tintalong-talong ano pagtaromon kayang nagusti pagsindo dorangan, ahino antin bunga na.
Wow! Talaga naman! Ibang-iba na ang Bambang. For the information of everyone, not all municipality has a festival beat. Pero ang Bambang, nagawa niya. Ibang-iba ka talaga, Bambang. Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga talented Bambanggenyos.
Julie, partner, we are making history. Julie, ibang-iba na ang Bambang. Napaka-progreso, napaka-successful ang ating munisipyo.
Wow, what a spectacular performance. Get ready to groove again. Another talented drum and lyre corps is bringing a high energy performance that'll get you moving and grooving. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome St. Catherine's School High School Drum and Lyre Corps.
Ibangbang, 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 Ibangbang. Mabilay, Ibangbang.
Yo asiyaya binangbang, tintalong-talong anak pagtaromon kayang nagusti pagsindo dorangan, ahino antin bunga na.
Bantay kaya ang kendi suor, napipintas ka parswan ti apo tayo, pagliwliwan kin pagansakan.
Bambang tao, bambanggenyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibang-bang tao, tara na't magdiwang tayo, mabilay bambang, umali ayo.
Imutin lahat ng problema, halina tayo'y magsama-sama. Kultura sa ating ipinamana, ipagbunyi at pagkaingatan.
Mihala nga puta uwa Diyos, si TNA hawagin na piyana. Irayaw tao, iohay tao, mabilay ibambang. Mabilay ibambang, ibambang tao, bambanggenyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibambang tao, tara't magdiwang tayo, mabilay bambang. Umali ibambang tao, bambanggenyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibambang tao, tara't magdiwang tayo, mabilay bambang. Mabilay umali
Mabilay ibaba, umali ayo. Bambanggenyos, mabilay ibaba, umali ayo.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for St. Catherine's School High School Drum and Lai Corps.
Once again, all hail to the glory and pride of our town, St. Catherine School High School, Drum and Lyre Corps.
Ibamba, 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 ibamba.
Bambangueños, are you still with us? Mukhang tulog na. Bambangueños, are you still there? Okay, it's time to get the competition started. Welcome to the Bailes Acalia Street Dancing Competition 2025. Let's witness the energy, creativity, and passion of our talented performers. Our judges are ready, the crowd is hyped. Let the battle begin.
Let's give our contestants a fair shot at victory. It's time to introduce our esteemed Board of Judges who have the challenging task of selecting the best of the best performers.
It is an honor for us to introduce to you our Board of Judges.
Our first judge is a graduate of Bachelor in Elementary Education and a licensed professional teacher. Currently taking Juris Doctor at St. Mary's University College of Law. Former Miss NVSU Isquaa 2015, Miss Dupax del Sur 2017, and Sanyata Tinueva Vizcaya 2018 second runner-up. Dupax del Sur Municipal Coordinator for Amungan Festival from 2018 to present, where they bagged the championship in street dance in the year 2023 and 2024, and Best Tourism Expo booth in 2022. She is also the tourism officer at the local government unit, Dupax del Sur. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our first judge, Miss Jill May C. Estrada Rumbawa. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Our next judge is a former Special Science Teacher 3 of the Philippine Science High School, Cagayan Valley Campus. His colleagues refer to him as the guru of rhythm and steps, the masters of beauty, and the commander on the stage. All of those titles are due to his extensive experiences both in the fields of music and dance. In fact, he established a dance group called Taradek that has become a living legacy in his workplace. He is currently employed as a unit head of the Manulife Philippines Zone 5 Northern Luzon Unit. To our amazing audience, our next judge, Mr. Marwin B. Ruiz.
Our third judge and the chairman of the Board of Judges is a multi-faced professional with a background in nursing and public administration. He currently serves as the tourism officer of the local government unit of Kasibu with a wealth of experience in festival management, pageantry, and event coordination, brings a unique set of skills and expertise to the judging panel. He is a float and booth designer with several awards and wins judging panel. As a seasoned float designer, he has garnered numerous awards and wins in the Grand Amungan Festival. As a judge for the Bailes Acalia, Queen of All Gays and Float competition, he will bring his discerning eye, creativity, and expertise to evaluate the performance and presentations. Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Christian C. Daulayan. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Before we dive into the competition, let's go over the criteria for judging to ensure transparency and fairness in the selection process. May we call on the chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Christian Daulayan, to read us the criteria for judging.
Naimbag nga agsapa, Bangbanggenyos. So allow me to read to you the criteria for judging for the 3 contested events for this festival. First, for the float competition. So we have 20% creative design, 20% artistic merit, 20% presentation of theme, 20% audience appeal, and 20% craftsmanship, for a total of 100%. That is for the float competition. Second is for baile. We have 10% for choreography, 10% for performance, 10% for theme and concept, for a total of 30% for the street parade. And for the dance showdown, we have 10% for choreography, 20% for theme and concept, 20% for performance, and 10% for production design, and another 10% for music, that compose of 70% for the dance showdown. To add the score for the street parade of 30%, it will be 100%. For the Queen of All Grays, creative or futuristic attires, originality and creativity, we have 5%. And for the projection, we have 5% for a total of 10% for this area of competition. So good luck to all the participants and happy Ibang-Bang Festival for the municipality of Bambang. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Mr. Chair, for reading to us the criteria for judging. Are you ready, Bambanggenyos? So without further ado, get ready to witness 3 incredible group performers to showcase their talents, energy, and passion for dance. Let's begin with performer number 1 from Bambang District 1 Elementary Department. A round of applause!
To all the participants for the Baile sa Kalye, kindly submit your audio or music in the sound system area now. I repeat, to all the contenders for the Baile sa Kalye, kindly submit your music or audio at the sound system area now. Thank you.
palagip na ang ibig sabihin ay pag-alala sa Ilocano ay isang dula o pagtatanghal na sumasalamin sa kahalagahan ng alaala, ugnayan ng pamilya at pagbabalik sa pinagmulan. Sa pamamagitan ng ritual na atang, isang alay para sa mga yumaong kaluluwa na isasalaysay ang hindi lamang kwento ng isang tao, kundi ng isang buong henerasyon na nahaharap sa tanong, paano natin pananatilihin ang ating pagkatao sa panahon ng pagbabago? Ang mga galaw ay nagsisimula sa magulo at mabilis na ritmo, simbolo ng modernong pamumuhay at pagkalimot sa kultura. Ngunit habang tumatagal, lumalalim ang kahulugan ng bawat kilos, nagiging mas grounded, mas emosyonal, habang muling naaalala ang pinagmulan. Sa huling bahagi ng sayaw, ang mga mananayaw ay nagsasama-sama sa iisang pulso, isang pagbabalik loob, isang panawagan sa lahat. Sa gitna ng pagbabago, huwag kalimutan kung sino ka at saan ka nagmula. Mga kaibigan, ating tunghayan ang baile ng Distrito 1 ng Bambang, Palagip!
Thank you. Bambang 1 District. Our next contender from the Bambang 2 District.
Imutin lahat ng problema, halina tayo'y magsama-sama. Kultura sa ating ipinamana, ipagbuni at pagkaingatan.
Mihala nga puta uwa Diyos, sikiyen hawagin na piyana. Irayaw tau, iohay tau, mabilay ibamba. Mabilay ibamba, ibambang tau, bambanggenyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibambang tau, tanan magdiwang tayo, mabilay ibamba. Ibambang tau, bambanggenyos tayo, may sa tayo ikipuso. Ibambang tau, tanan magdiwang tayo, mabilay ibamba. Mabilay umali ayo. Ibamba, ibamba. Mabilay ibamba. Ibamba, umali ayo.
Bambang, mula Bangbang patungong lungsod ng kinabukasan. Ang Bambang, isang bayan na hinubog mula sa apoy ng sigalot at diwa ng kapayapaan, ay nag-ugat sa isang makasaysayang sandali ng pagkakaisa. Mula sa salitang bangbang na nangangahulugang hukay o pit. Ito ang lugar kung saan pinili ng dalawang magkaribal na tribo, ang mga Ilongot at Igorot, na inilibing ang kanilang mga sandata at alitan, at ipagdiwang ang kapayapaan kaysa digmaan. Ang simpleng pagkakasundong ito ang nagtanim ng binhi ng isang buhay at masiglang pamayanan. Mula sa pagkakasama-sama nito sa malawak na misyong Dominikano noong taong 1609 na tinatawag na Itoy, unti-unting lumago ang Bambang bilang isang natatangi at dinamiko na bayan. Formal itong naitatag noong taong 1777 at ipinagkatiwala kay Santa Catalina de Siena bilang patrona. Mabilis itong naging sentro ng katutubong kultura, agrikultura at sinaunang kalakalan. Ang mga mamamayan nito, mga inapo ng Eta, Panipuye, Ilongot, Igorot at kalaunan ng mga Isinay, ay nakabuo ng mayamang tradisyon, wika at kasarinlan. Ngayon, sa pagtindig nito sa sangandaan ng kasaysayan at pag-unlad, muling pinapangarap ng Bambang ang isang kinabukasan na nakaugat sa lakas ng nakaraan. Sa pagsusumikap nitong maging isang lungsod, hindi lamang ito tungkol sa infrastruktura o ranggo. Ito'y matapang na panata para sa pagkakapantay-pantay, pagpapanatili ng kalikasan at kultura at matalinong urbanong kaunlaran. Sa tulong ng estratehikong lokasyon, mayamang pagkakaiba-iba ng populasyon at makabago nitong pamumuno, ang Bambang ay handang umusbong bilang isang huwarang lungsod ng Nueva Vizcaya. Isang tanglaw kung saan ang tradisyon at teknolohiya ay magkasamang sumusulong. Mula sa isang simbolikong hukay ng kapayapaan tungo sa pagbangon ng isang lungsod, ang paglalakbay ng Bambang ay patunay ng walang kupas na kapangyarihan ng pagkakaisa, pamamana at makabagong pamumuno.
What a dazzling performance! Once again, let's give a big round of applause to Bambang 2 District. Now, let's welcome our third contestant from private school, Great Visions Academy. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Okay, let's welcome from the private school, from Great Visions Academy and Aurora Christian School. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and honored citizens of Bambang Nueva Vizcaya, we gather today to celebrate the timeless legacy of our town. The Ibangbang Festival is not merely a festivity. It is a living tribute to the foundation of our community's peace and unity. The name Bambang derives from a historic moment when the Ilongots and Igorots, with profound wisdom, laid down their arms, burying them in a sacred pit. A powerful symbol of reconciliation and the dawning of enduring peace. And now, as we honor and portray the noble of origins of Ibambang, rangay ken rag-o iti tunggal maysa, agbyag ti Bambang, mavilay Ibambang. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and excitement that we now present to you the Baile sa Kalye, performed by the vibrant talents from the private schools.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our performers from Great Visions Academy and Aurora Christian School. So that ends our elementary division department. And now, let's now proceed to the high school department. For the information of everyone po, isang school lang po ang nakilahok sa ating high school department, which is Salinas High School.
Ti kulam, titinga, ti dwa a puso. Iti purok ti Salinas, bimtak ti istorya ti ayat ken gura. Adda balasang aluna, napintas, nasirib ken na isang sangayan tinagan na. Dua alalaki tinagayat ken kuana, ni Rafael, tinaragsak nga anak ti Manalud, ken ni Lucio, anak ti Nalimed amang kukulam, nga agtawid ti kadaanan amahika ti Pulida. Ngem ti puso ni Luna ni Rafael tinilaon na. Idi pinili na ni Luna nagsipnget ti lubong ni Lucio. Iti pungtot ken utut inaramid na dayta buyugen ti dakis a ritual. Isukit nang ilunod ken ni Rafael. Isukit nang ipatulod ti panagtabbaaw ti panagrupsa. Anain-inot tapno makasubli ti bagi ni Rafael. Nulakid di daytoy ket narigatan nga aggaraw. Idi nakita dagiti pumurok iti kellaat a panagkapoy ni Rafael, dagos a nagkidaw ti tulong manipod kadagiti natataingan na mangagas anang bantay ti puraw o amahika. Itinan-anay arabii ti bulan, naguumong dagiti mangagas itinga ti karayan. Ang mapapati a panagkabalin ti nakaparswaan nang ikabilda kadagiti anting-anting, ruot ken indatunda dagiti kararagda kadagiti espiritu ti daga ken angin. Nakilaban ni Lucio, nang ipatulod kadagiti aniniwan ken napiksa nga angin. Tapno mapasarding ti seremonya, ngem ti panagkaykaysa dagiti mangagas, ti piksa ti ayat ni Luna, ken ti pamati ti entero apurok ti nang balkot ken ni Rafael, ti lawag adi madadael gaputi sipnget. Kamaudyanan na naabak ni Lucio. Napukaw ti panakabalin na ket napapanaw ti purok anailaksid babaen ti bukod na. Intuloy da Luna ken Rafael ti biagda saan laing akas anabiyag no di kadi maysa a gwardya tinalimed na sirbi dagiti mangagas. Ket itunggal baru a bulan isalaysay paylaeng dagiti panglakayen ti istorya ti ayat anang sarangket iti kulam. Ladies and gentlemen, from the school within the forest, let us welcome the Salinas High School.
dalom anak pagtaromon kayang Nagusti pagsindo doragat Ahino ang tinbunganan
Magbantay karyaan kendisuor Napipintas na parswati ako tayo Pagliliwan ken pagkagsakan Ito'y ili tayo
Mabilay, ibang-bang Ibang-bang tao, bambanggenyos tayo May maysa tayo, ikipuso Ibang-bang tao, taran at magdiwang tayo Mabilay, bang-bang Umali ayo
Limutin lahat ng problema Halina tayo'y magsama-sama Kultura sa ating ipinamana Ipagbumi at pagkaingatan
Mihala nga puta uwa Diyos Si DNA hawan inapyana Irayaw tao, iohay tao Mabilay, ibang-bang
Mabilay, ibang-bang
Ibang-bang tao, bambanggenyos tayo May maysa tayo, ikipuso Ibang-bang tao, taran at magdiwang tayo Mabilay, bang-bang Umali, ibang-bang tao, bambanggenyos tayo May maysa tayo, ikipuso Ibang-bang tao, taran at magdiwang tayo Mabilay, bang-bang Mabilay, umali, ibang-bang Ibang-bang
Mabilay, ibang-bang
Ibang-bang
Umali, ayaw
Ibang-bang
Babanggenyos
Ibang-bang
Mabilay, ibang-bang
Ibang-bang
Umali, ayaw
Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, our performers from Salinas High School. So that ends our Baile sa Kalye Elementary and High School competition. So before we announce the winners, let us first award the certificates and the tokens to our Board of Judges. May I request our Director General to go up in the stage to award the certificates and the tokens to our Board of Judges. So before we award, let me read to you the certificate content. Municipality of Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya, Second Ibang-Bang Festival. Certificate of Appreciation is proudly presented to for sharing his time and expertise being the judge in the Baile sa Kalye Street Dancing Competition, Float Competition, and Creative Attire of Search of Queen of All Gays 2025 of the Second Ibang-Bang Festival with the theme Ibang-Iba Na Ang Bambang, Embracing Progress, Celebrating Success, held on April 28, 2025, given this 28th day of April 2025 at the Municipal Auditorium Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. Signed, Attorney Paulo Sierra, our Executive Assistant Director General of Bambang Town Fiesta 2025, and signed, our Municipal Mayor Benjamin Duran Quaresma III. So, this certificate of appreciation is awarded to Mr. Marwin B. Ruiz.
Certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Miss Jill-Ann May E. Rumbawa.
Iyo asiriya binangbang Intalom-dalom anak pagtaromon kayang Nagusti pagsindo doragat Ahino ang tinbunganan
And same certificate is hereby awarded to Mr. Christian C. Daulayan.
Pagliliwan ken pagkagsakan Ito'y ili tayo
Mabilay, ibang-bang Ibang-bang tao, bambanggenyos tayo May maysa tayo, ikipuso Ibang-bang tao, taran at magdiwang tayo Mabilay, bang-bang
To our Board of Judges, maraming salamat po. I know you had a hard time a while ago. and congratulations for a job well done. And for the information of everyone, tapos na po ang judging po ng ating float. Tama po? Yes. I-award po yung winner ng Best in Float tonight here in the Municipal Auditorium during the People's Night here at 7 p.m.
So ayan, kita-kita-kits po tayo ulit mamayang gabi dito sa People's Night. So to our judges, are we ready to announce the winners for Baile sa Kalye? Mukhang ready ng ating mga contenders para sa result.
And of course, to all the Bambangueños who attended this grand parade, maraming salamat po. And I hope and we hope to see you all in all the activities of this year's second Ibangbang Festival.
Alright, maybe also request all the participants for the Baile sa Kalye 2025 to please go in the front.
I think our judges are having a hard time to compute for the final result of our Baile sa Kalye street dancing competition.
And of course, as early as now, we would like to congratulate each and everyone who participated here in the Baile sa Kalye. And of course, to all the pupils, to all the coaches, congratulations in advance. And maraming salamat po once again for participating for this year's second Ibangbang Festival.
I think, partner, the result is in. So,
okay, upo po tayo sa ating mga participants. Upo tayo, ayan.
Results are in.
For the third place of the elementary department, showcasing impressive move and style. Great job! Performer number 3.
Performer number 3 is from the private institutions composing of Great Visions Academy and Aurora Christian. To award our certificate of recognition.
Before we award, allow us to read the content of this certificate. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to name of the participant for winning during the Baile sa Kalye street dancing competition of the second Ibangbang Festival with the theme Ibang-Iba na ang Bambang, Embracing Progress, Celebrating Success. Held on April 28, 2025, even this 28th day of April 2025 at the Municipal Auditorium, Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya. Signed, Attorney Paulo Sierra, Executive Assistant, Director General of Bambang Town Fiesta 2025. Signed, Honorable Mayor Benjamin Loren Quaresma III. May we request Honorable Mayor and Director General, Attorney Paulo Sierra and Honorable Benjamin Loren Quaresma III to give the certificate of appreciation to our third place.
And of course, to our third place, they will be receiving a cash prize to be given later on.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our third place from the private institution.
Alright, so for the third place, they will be receiving a cash prize amounting to 20,000 pesos.
And of course, sa ating first place will receive 25,000 pesos.
And the champion will receive 30,000 pesos.
Grabe partners, umaapaw ang papremyo ng Second Ibang Bang Festival.
Yes, to announce the second place, delivering a high-energy show that wowed the crowd. Excellent performer number 1.
Which means performer number 1 is from Bambang District 1.
May we call on the Director General and Honorable Mayor Benjamin Loret Quaresma III to award the second place. Once again, the second place for the Baile sa Calle will be receiving a certificate of appreciation and a cash prize amounting to 25,000 pesos. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our second place, the Bambang District 1 and the champion for the Ibang Bang Baile sa Calle, Street Dancing Competition champion goes to Bambang 2 District.
Bambang 2 District will receive 30,000 pesos.
Ibang Bang, Ibang Bang, Ibang Bang. Mabilay, Ibang Bang.
Yo asiriya binambang, tintalom-dalom anak pagtalomon kayang, na gusti pagsindo doragat, ayno ang tinbunganan.
Magdiwang tayo, magbilay Bambang, umali
Congratulations, Bambang 2 District!
And of course, for our high school contenders, and the champion for the high school division, no other than
Salinas High School!
Salinas High School will receive a certificate of appreciation and 30,000 pesos! Naglalakihan ang ating mga premyo partners dahil yan through the administration of our Honorable Mayor Benjamin Loren Cuaresma. Dito ay talagang ibang-iba na ang Bambang mga partner.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our program for this morning.
Again, remember po, inaanyayahan po namin kayo mamayang gabi para po sa ating People's Night. And tomorrow, the coronation night for Miss Bambang 2025.
And please do support all the activities of this second Ibambang tonight until May 4, 2025. Ganyan po kahaba ang fiesta ng Bambang. That is because through the administration of our very honorable Mayor Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III.
Marami pong inihandang sorpresa ang ating Mayor ngayong fiesta. So magsama-sama po tayo. Huwag po tayong mawawala sa ating week-long celebration.